for the 5 days live stream. So please stay tuned and we will give you some thrilling experience here.
And I'm Sophie. I'm sure I will bring the most exciting news to you today. And I'm very glad also I invited some friends here too to talk with me furtherly and what happened today, how is the crowd, how is these exhibitors. Please follow us via our camera. Hello everyone, I'm Sophie, and today is the first day of the phase 1 in this Canton Fire, and we just opened 1 hour after the ceremony, and from now I can see many people around the halls. With the blue bar means the buyers and the exhibitors are ready in their booths waiting for us. So let's see how are the halls and how these exhibitions. However, for the first day, what caught me attention the most is the lineup of the green mobility. So please follow me to see more details. The sustainability is a global concern for sure, and I see many industries are striving to reduce their carbon footprint. The transportation sector, in particular, is undergoing a major transformation. So at the Canton Fire, I had the chance to witness firsthand how electric mobility is evolving to meet modern needs. Various manufacturers displayed their latest models of electric vehicles. Yes, all of the electric vehicles on the booth are the most models. That's so exciting. And one of the most impressive sections of the fire was dedicated to electric cars. Leading Chinese and international brands showcased the latest EV models, featuring sleek designs, advanced battery technology, and extending driving ranges. And I had the opportunity to speak with some representatives who explained the innovations in lithium-ion battery efficiency, fast charging capabilities, and smart driving assistance. And what fascinated me the most was how manufacturers are now focusing on affordability, making electric cars more accessible to the average consumer. And there's many parts of the electric cars, such as the TV, ice cooler, and EV charging stations. for the backup of solving the green mobility solutions. And also for the traditional parts, we can see also the fuels. Yes. And I'm now currently standing in an area that's buzzing with innovation, surrounded by the latest in electric vehicle charging solutions. For our viewers who are passionate about the future of transportation, this exhibit is going to be a real great. So let's take a look at these sleek designs. They are not just functional, they are perfect fit for the modal aesthetic of our urban landscapes. These charging stations are more than just the power point. They come equipped with advanced features like battery health, diagnostics, and vehicle charging data analytics. It's clear that the manufacturer have thought of everything to enhance the EV owner's experience. And one of the highlights of this charging station is its rapid charging technology. Imagine get our electric vehicle fully charged in just half an hour. That's convenience at its best, making our daily commutes and long-distance travels a breeze. And also there's a bonus. These stations come with a large screen where you can catch up on news and enjoy some entertainment while you wait. Whether you are charging up in a public space or at home, there's no reason for downtime to be dumb. The crowd around this booth is a testament to the interest these new EVs charging stations are generating. I'm confident that in the near future, we will start seeing these stations becoming more and more common in our cities. Alright, time for me to move on the next exhibit. Stay tuned to our live coverage as we bring you more fascinating product showcases from the Canton Fair. So it's time to move into our next exhibit halls and stay tuned to our live coverage as we bring you more and more fascinating products in our showcases from Canton Fair. Move from 4 wheels to 2, I will explore the section of motorcycle and bikes. Let's see how they serve our lives better. As we walk the bustling exhibition halls, we can notice that this year's theme is sustainability and speed. Manufacturers from China have gathered here to showcase how they're making biking and motorcycling more eco-friendly without sacrificing the thrill of the ride. First up, we can stopping at the booths. This booth is unveiling their newest electric motorcycles. This sleek machine is not only zero emission but also boasts a battery life that's unmatched in this market. And let's take a closer look and chat with the product designer about what makes the motorcycle a game changer. And moving along, we come across an innovative helmet displayed in the booth. These aren't used including built-in cameras, Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced impact absorption materials. Safety is most important when it comes to riding, and these helmets are setting a new standard. And over this booth, we have a treat for cycling enthusiasts. Someone is trying their new line of lightweight carbon fiber bikes. Whether you are a professional racer or a cat rider, these bikes are designed to enhance your performance with their exceptional strength to weight ratio. Let's stand by and give one a test ride. And do not forget to check out the accessories section, where you will find everything from high-tech cycling computers to customers' leather set leg bags for motorcycles. These gadgets and gear are designed to improve your riding experience. Whether you are commuting to work or embarking on a cross-country adventure. We also have a series of workshops and talks scheduled throughout the day. Experts will cover topics like bike maintenance, road safety, and the future of urban mobility. Be sure to tune in our live feed for these informative sessions. And of course, we can't overlook the start shows. Professional riders are here to showcase their incredible skills, performing gravity-defying tricks on both bicycle and motorcycles. It is a thrilling spectacle that you won't want to miss. We will bringing you continuous coverage all day, so stay with us for more interviews, product demos, and behind the senior looks at the most cutting-edge two-wheel technology on the market. And also, we can see these e-bikes are gaining massive popularity due to their ability to combine pedal power with battery assistance. Many exhibitors highlighted improvements in lightweight frame materials, enhanced battery life, and smart connectivity features that allow riders to track their journey through mobile apps. Some models were specifically designed for urban commuting, while others were built for adventure and long-distance travel. Another category that caught my eye was electric scooters. With the rise of urban congestion, compact and affordable scooters have become a preferred choices for short-distance travel. As a fire, I tested a few models that were impressed by their portability, speed, and safety features, including anti-cloud braking system and automatic lighting. Some manufacturers and companies even integrate AI technology to optimize energy consumption based on riding habits. Despite the progress in green mobility, challenges remain. One of the key concerns is Some exhibitors introduced innovative solutions such as portable charging stations and solar-powered chargers. Additionally, battery recycling and sustainability in manufacturing process were hot topic of discussion. Overall, for the first day, my experience at the Canton Fair reinforced my belief that green mobility is the future. The innovation I see today in electric cars, e-bikes, and scooters showcase a clean commitment to sustainability with ongoing advancement in battery technology, affordability, and smart connectivity. Eco-friendly transportation is becoming more viable for everyday use. It was truly inspiring to see how businesses are working towards a cleaner and more efficient future. Thank you for listening. I hope my insight today into green mobility at the Canton Fair has given you a glimpse into the exciting development shaping the future of transportations.
Hello, sir. We are Made-in-China.com. It's an online wholesale platform for global trade. So today we have some quick interviews questions for you. And first of all, what's your name and where are you from?
Yes, my name is Fu and my English name is Fawad. I'm from Pakistan. I'm really glad to come here and visit the Canton Fair. It's really very impressive and there are a lot of supplies are here. So
Yes, and is that the first time in Canton Fair?
yeah, exactly. This is my first time. I came to Guangzhou many times before, but this is my first time to visit this Canton Fair. I'm really impressed with the exhibition and the people who are coming here and the supplies. A number of supplies are already here. Yeah.
Okay, so I know you have like wandering around the exhibition hall in the morning. So what kinds of products impress you most?
Yeah, initially I start from the electric vehicles. They are very good vehicles and the prices are very reasonable, and I'm planning to export the e-vehicles from here to my country, and especially some the bikes with the four wheels. They are very good with the lightweight truck, or very lightweight and very cost effective. Yeah.
Okay, gotcha, great. So to purchase from China, what is your targeted market? Like any new potential markets this year?
Yeah, the market, the Pakistan market is very much have very much good potential. So I want to buy the electronic vehicles, especially the e-bikes, e-cycles. They are very good, and they're because there is a lot of energy issues in Pakistan, so there's a big demand of e-vehicles in Pakistan.
Ah, I gotcha.
Yes.
So Pakistan is the most the market you are exposed to, right?
Yes.
Okay. So have you like found any suitable supplier today?
Yes, I found 2 and 3 suppliers.
Two.
I got their contacts and they added me on the WeChat too.
Okay.
So sooner we'll contact with each other and go through more details. Or some of them, they invited me to visit the factory. One of the factories in Haizo. So probably I will go next week to visit the factory. Yeah.
You should do the factory tour to
Yes,
check
yes,
the qualifications.
yes, exactly,
Okay.
exactly.
So from your perspective, what do you think matter most when you choose the suppliers you want to cooperate in future?
Yeah, the most important is the quality of the product, and then the certification they have. So secondly, because these are very important when I need to import in Pakistan, because our custom department, they check each and everything. So I should make sure that everything is okay and according to the registration process, so that there is no problem. I don't want to face any problem while importing to Pakistan.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. So I'm also talking with them to ship the products directly to Pakistan, so that I can just receive and pay the customs and receive the products there. Yeah.
Okay. So in terms of the industry you are in, what are the most important or must-have certification?
Yeah, for the electronic vehicles, I think the FBA and the quality certificates are important. Secondly, for the e-vehicles, I also check the quality of the vehicles too, especially their running speed and the battery life. So
gotcha.
yeah, so the main in the electronic vehicles, battery is most important. One of the bike, they have very good battery. It runs for 130 kilometer and it takes 4 to 5 hours to charge. I'm also looking for the bike who can charge in a less time, almost in a 1 hour, so that it can run longer and charge in a less time.
Okay.
So I'm looking at these requirements too.
Yes, okay, gotcha. And another question, like say, like what's your forecast for trade between China and your country, like in the next 1 to 2 years?
Yeah, it's very bright. I'm very hopeful, keeping the current situation of the world. So I think this is the best time for China to look for the different routes. Especially the Pakistan have a great potential, and it's a big market. And with the mutual cooperation, we can introduce green products like e-vehicles to Pakistan. And I hope in this scenario, the factories will also cooperate. They will. I'm expecting they will offer the very good and reasonable price so that the people from Pakistan, they can afford it.
Yes, so from the history we have known that China and Pakistan has built up a very strong relationship.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
It's very strong, yeah.
Yes.
Like brothers.
Brothers, yeah.
Or we can say the friendship between China is always, we say, higher than the mountains, deeper than ocean, sweeter than honey, and stronger than steel.
Okay, it's a very great expression.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, okay. So what can a Chinese supplier do to gain more trust and become a key part of your supplier chain? Like apart from price, quality, and anything else?
Yeah, exactly. Basically based on the quality.
Yes.
That's why the trust established. And when we start having the cooperation, then it builds good.
Yeah.
So prices, if they give the good price, it will be definitely will buy more and more products. Quantity will be increased. And this way they can earn very good profits.
Yeah. So how about like the after sales services or some other?
Yeah.
things?
Right now they are saying they will provide the after sales service, especially in terms of the parts, in terms of the battery, because when the people start using it, they need to change the battery, they need to change their parts sometimes. So I'm expecting a great cooperation from the factories in terms of the accessories and parts too.
Okay, so how often your clients want to like change a battery? So what's the usual lifespan of the battery?
I think I just asked from few suppliers. They said this will work for 1 to 2 years. 2 years.
Okay, gotcha.
There will be no problem unless there is some damage or something else. So hopefully within they can use it for two or 3 years, something like that.
Oh, 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so it depends.
It depends upon the usage, yeah.
Oh,
usage.
okay, gotcha.
So the battery, what I found is very good because they fixed on the bike, so it's not removable. So that's why it runs for a long time, like 130 kilometers, which is too much, yeah.
Oh, okay, gotcha. And in terms of the platform you use, how will you look for suppliers except on-site exhibitions?
Yeah, it's really a great exposure because you get the experience to meet with different suppliers and talk with them directly. And some of them they invited to visit the factory. In that way, I can go and meet with the owners of the factory, and because it will be good if you talk directly with the lawman of the factory, and then you can have the good cooperation with each other. Yeah.
Yes.
Otherwise, it's difficult to get a good price from the distributor. It's good to buy directly from the factory.
Yeah. So nowadays, factories is most choices for many buyers.
Yes.
Okay.
Because the
gotcha.
competition high, many people are around there. So sometimes it's difficult to find the suitable buyer. But if you study and go more into deeper, then you can find it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So have you ever
we received, and we did a very good business from Made in China.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
so
for
I'm proud
like
of
saying that.
Made of China, and thank you for the Made of China to make it possible to bring me here and meet with the suppliers. Yeah, I'm very happy. Thank you.
Yes, and very happy to hear that.
Yes.
Yes. And compare with like purchasing on exhibitions or directly contacting suppliers, what's the biggest advantage of online platform you think?
Because it saves your cost. Because the made in what is the good thing on Made in China? They always have the verified supplies.
Oh yeah.
So there's no sort of cheating. So it is perfectly right. So I believe on the Made in China platform, especially the customers they place, they're all verified customers. So there's no chance for any fraud or any other kind of activity. So because even my different clients, they come to Made in China, they contacted us, and then we send different products to their countries. Yeah.
Oh.
So even in my case, if I want to buy something, I can easily buy from the Made in China, because I have a blind trust on Made in China.
Okay. Okay.
Hello everyone, we're now on the booth of Fujian MECCA Power Company, and I'm very glad we will have an interview with Mrs. Yang, the manager of this company. Yeah. So hello Mrs. Yang.
Hi.
Yeah, so can you at first introduce briefly your company?
Okay, our company is MECCA POWER Limited, and we are specialized in diesel generator manufacturing. Okay, we have been in this business for more than 10 years.
Yes. And which countries or which markets your company are most in?
Okay, we have customers from more than 80 countries, like from different areas. For example, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Latin American countries.
Yes.
Except for countries like the US, because they have some special certificate requirements.
Yes.
So and other countries, we do have different customers and different projects.
Okay. And what kind of product you bring into this Canton fire, and what is your main product?
Okay, we have brought our main products to this Canton fair. So you can see this is our sample here. It is a 20 kVA diesel generator with the UK brand Perkins and French brand Leroy Summer alternator. Actually, due to the limit of the booth, we just bring a very small size generators to this fair. So you can see from the wall that we have different products. For example, we produce diesel generators and also gas generators. Except for the generators, we have a load bank. This is a testing machinery used to test the generator. It is also shown on our Made in China platform. So if customers are interested, they can also find it from Made in China. And we also have marine generators. We have marine generators with the brand like Cummins, Perkins, Doosan, and some Chinese brand like Yuchai, Weichai. Okay, and here it is high voltage switch gear. So except for generator, we also offer the electric cabinets to the customers, so as to offer them one standard solution. It's like a turnkey solution. Okay, and this is a reefer generator. It's a special designed generator for the reefer container, which is also a good product, a special product of us. This is LPG and NG generator. It's the design is similar like some US made products, and it's mainly for home use. Okay. This is the hottest product in China now. In our application, it's an energy storage container. It's how to say? It's inside the container. It's battery, so it's like clean energy products compared with our generator, because the energy generator consume diesel. It's still not so clean, but in the future it will be a trend to use the clean energy. So we are also under researching such kind of products. Okay, yeah. And here you can also see some of our project reference, mostly high voltage generators like Mitsubishi. This is MTU. This is with the Germany technology, and it's And this is Cummins, made in UK. The Cummins engine is made in UK. It's also 2 megawatts. Okay. Here there are some projects for data centers also. For each data center project, there will be more than dozens of generators paralleled. Okay. And here on this wall, you can see that we have generators with open type, with silent type, with container type, and also trailer type. Just now, I have mentioned that we have more than 80 countries customers from North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia, and different countries. Okay.
And are you satisfied with this day in the first day of Canton Fair today?
I think it's just as normal as other like fairs before. But I feel that we have met some important customers that we want to meet, so it's good for us.
Besides the off-site show, such as Canton Fair, did you participate in any online B2B platform, and are you satisfied with them?
Yes, we do have different online platforms. For example, the most important one is Made in China, and also we have some social medias as well.
Yes, and for the product here, any questions or any you want to ask to our Mrs. Yang, you can click the links above to have a further communication with this lady.
Yes, welcome a lot.
So, what's your name and where are you come from?
My name is Saad Nabil. I'm from Oman, Muscat.
Ah, okay. Yes. So it's the first time you come to.
No, this is the third time.
Okay. So any difference between this time and last time?
Yeah, this means I just came here this time, so I'm just seeing around.
Yeah.
It's very early to see the differences.
Yes. What product are you looking for?
Yeah, we are basically building materials trading company. I'm from.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for hardware products and chemical products.
Yes. Besides the trade show, did you try some online tours or online platform or social media?
No, I haven't tried the online platforms.
Yes.
But we used to attend the online Canton Fair before, during the COVID time.
Okay, so maybe after communicate in the Canton Fair, where you visit the factories?
Yes, after the Canton Fair, we used to visit the factories. Yes.
Yes. So when you select product, select supplier, which factor you consider the most?
Oh, because I'm from a company which is of 20 years old. We are doing this business 20 years.
Okay,
so
it's many.
somewhat we have reached to the good suppliers. But what we are looking at for either we are looking for a backup options, or we tried to be live in the market because we wanted to supply the customers the best product at the best price, because every year the competition is very high in the market, so new players are coming, so we need to be live in the market. So we are looking at the quality definitely, but we need at the best possible price.
Yes. So in which situation you will consider to change the supplier?
Sorry?
In which situation you will change the supplier?
Yeah, there are many. Main situation is due to the quality issues, because we will be agreeing in some quality, but while we have been cooperating more, we don't look at the quality that is coming. So if we get more complaints from the market, and if we lose the trust in them, we used to change them.
Okay, so last time, any suggestions for buyers, who are the first time come to the Canton Fair to find the suppliers?
Actually, it's very difficult, because the experience that we get from here is huge. So only means every buyer that is coming will be different. The requirement will be different. The way they are working will be different.
Yes.
So that's it. If we come here, look around things, you will have more experience, and from that experience you can learn.
Yes. Okay. Hello, sir. Yes, I'm from Made-in-China.com. So what's your name and where are you come from?
My name is Mohammed. I'm from Iraq. It is my second time I come to Canton Fair.
Okay. So are you satisfied of this Canton Fair?
Tabling about this view and this all people come to Canton Fair,
Yes.
and it is too much different than with last year. This year
Yes.
is too much better
Yes.
and too much more crowd than last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which product are you looking for?
Solar panel,
Oh,
battery
okay.
lithium,
Ah.
and I got too much sources about that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what is your expectation of this Canton Fair this time?
I think it is too much good. I wish a good luck for all buyers, and I should thank China because
okay.
it is too much good for us when we come to China and we get too much sources about that, especially at the Canton Fair.
Yes.
It's too much good. I wish every year China do some business like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
And where you select the suppliers, which part you consider the most? Maybe such as the price or the maybe service after sales service, something like this.
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
Yeah. When you select suppliers,
Okay.
what part you consider the most?
About I think you mean about business, right?
Yes.
About business, we work about solar panel,
Yes.
and we got maybe more than 10 sources about that, different sources and battery lithium, and it is too much good for us because in another country we don't have these sources like here.
Yes.
Because for example, if you see every part is separated. For example, when you look for solar panel, you have a part especially for solar
Yes.
panel. When you look for battery lithium, you have a part especially for battery lithium, and for all categories.
Yes.
Yeah, it's too much good, too much useful.
Yeah. And which factor you consider the first, the price or the after sale service, or the production capabilities?
I didn't get your question. Sorry.
Okay.
Maybe my English not too much good.
It's
Yeah.
good. It's good. So I hope you can find the suitable suppliers and a good stay in China.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So it's the end of our live stream for today. Please stay tuned for Made-in-China.com.
We will continue to be your eyes at Canton Fair, giving you a virtual experience through our camera. Today we visited the horse exhibitions of green mobility solutions, and what is next for today? Please follow us and see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye bye.